Hello students, welcome to Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in today's class we are going to continue the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. And remember, this is fifth period of this chapter. And we know that linear equations in two variables can be solved by two methods, mainly two methods. What are those? Yes, one is graphical method, second one is algebraic method. We have already finished the graphical method. And you also know that in algebraic method there are three sub-methods. Tell them one by one. Yes, first one is elimination method, second one substitution method, and third one is cross multiplication method. In yesterday's class we learned how to solve the equations by elimination method. In today's class we are going to focus on other two methods. Okay, see that here we have a question. It is solve the following equations by substitution method. And in that, first sub question is 7x minus 15y equal to 2 and x plus 2y equal to 3. See, here only the meaning will tell us how can we solve it by substitution method. If you want to find out the value of x, then y should be substituted. Got it? Then if you want to find out y, x should be substituted. How this is? Let me show you. Here, I'll consider the given equations as 1 and 2. First one, 7x minus 15y equal to 2. You may call it as equation 1. Please don't go for writing. Just keep observing carefully. Another one is x plus 2y is equal to 3. Call it as equation 2. Then you may substitute either x or y in any of these two equations. But how? Hence you need to solve either x or y by taking any one of these two equations. I'll take second equation. Second equation is x plus 2y equal to 3. Right? In this, I'll solve x. X is equal to 3. Transfer 2y to the right hand side. Becomes minus 2y. Clear? You may call this as equation 3. Dear students, please do remember, equation 3 is formed by using equation 2. Now, you are going to substitute equation 3 in 1. Clear? 3 is formed from 2, hence it should be substituted in 1. Here I'll write, substitute equation 3 in 1. Equation 1 is, here I'll write, 7x minus 15y equal to 2. 7x. What is x? It is 3 minus 2y. 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. Hope that you have understood. Next, multiply 7 with both the terms. 7 3s are 21 minus 7 2s are 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. Next, minus 14y minus 15y, it is minus 29y. This is equal to 2. Then transfer 21 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 21. Then minus 29y is equal to 2 minus 21 is minus 19. Minus minus get cancelled. Then y is equal to 19 by 29. Got it? Now we got the value of y. Next we need the value of x. Hence, now I am going to substitute y is equal to 19 by 29 in equation 1, 2 or 3. Let's go for taking 3 only, because there we get x directly. X is equal to 3 minus 2 into y. What is y? It is 19 by 29. Now this is equal to 3 minus, multiply 19 twos are, it is 38 by 29. Take LCM. LCM is 29. Multiply LCM with the first term. 29 threes are 87. Is it not? Minus, then multiply 29 with second term. Get cancelled. It becomes 38. It is equal to, now subtract 17 minus 8. It is 9. 7 will remain. 7 minus 3, 4. 49 by 29. X equal to 49 by 29. Therefore, we can write X equal to 49 by 29 and Y is equal to 19 by 29. Or you can also write it as 49 by 29 comma 19 by 29 is the required solution. Hope that you have understood. Now, once I go for explaining, please listen carefully. Very simple thing. Take the given equations and call them as 1 and 2. Solve any one of the variable, taking any one of the equations. Here I have taken second equation because the coefficient of x is least. It will be easier. X plus 2y equal to 3. And from this, x has been solved. Call it as 3. And substitute 3 in 1. Then you will get y. X is substituted, hence we get y. Now substitute y in any one of the three equations, but simple one is third equation. You will get x value. Now please go for writing from there to here. Second sub question. Very simple. I hope that you can try. Do one thing. Pause the video and try to solve yourself. Then after that, you can listen my explanation. Yes. This is x plus y equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 4. Then let us solve this by substitution method. What is the first step to be followed? Yes, we have to call these equations as 1 and 2. X plus y is equal to 14. Call it as equation 1. Then x minus y is equal to 4. Call it as equation 2. Next, what is the second step? You have to choose any one of these two equations. The coefficient of x and y in both the equations is least. You may take either one or two. Here I will take x plus y equal to 14. Next, what is the another step? It is, we have to solve either x or y. It is left to you. Let us solve x. X is equal to 14. Transfer y to the right hand side. So it becomes minus y. You may call it as equation 3. Equation 3 is formed from equation 1. Hence it should be substituted in 2. Clear? Here I will write. In the third step, we will substitute equation 3 in 2. Then observe x minus y. What is x? It is 14 minus y. Then minus y equal to 4. Next, solve y. So minus y minus 2y. It is equal to 4. Transfer 14 to the right hand side becomes minus 14. Then this is minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 14 is minus 10. Minus get cancelled. Then you will get 2y is equal to 10. Next, y is equal to 10 by 2. Then y is equal to 5. Clear? Next, what is the another step? You have to substitute y equal to 5 in any of the three equations. Which one you will go for? You are right. It is third equation because x can be solved directly. X is equal to 14 minus y. Y is how much? 5. It is equal to 14 minus 5. This is 9. X equal to 9. Therefore, 9 comma 5. X is 9, y is 5. Is the required solution. Required solution. Now just to check that, What is x plus y? 9 plus 5, 14. X minus y, 9 minus 5, 4. Is it not simple? Yes. First step, writing the equation. Second step, solving any one variable. Third step, substitution to find out either y or x. Then in the fourth step, then we will find out the remaining variable. Yes. Copy this. Observe. This is third sub question. It should be solved by again substitution method. You can just go on writing with me. Yes, start writing with me and keep on telling answer to my question. What is the first step? Right. It is numbering the equations. Let root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. This is equation 1. Root 3x minus root 8 into y equal to 0. You will call it as equation 2. Hope that you have written the same. Next, what is the second step? We have to choose any one of these two equations. I'll choose the second equation. It is root 3 into x minus root 8 into y equal to 0. Which variable would you like to solve? Anyone can be solved, either x or y. I go for taking x. So root 3x is equal to, transfer this to the right hand side, minus root 8 into y, it becomes plus. Clear? So you no need to write plus. It is understood. Then x is equal to root 8 by root 3 into y. You may call this as equation 3. Check whether you got the same. Yes. So 3 is solved from 2. Hence it should be substituted in 1. So here I'll write. What should be written? Substitute equation 3 in equation 1. Written up. How do you write the next step? Equation 1 is root 2 into x. What is x? It is root 8 by root 3 into y plus root 3 into y. This is equal to 0. Check whether you have written the same. Next, multiply root 2 with this term. What is root 2 into root 8? Root 2 into root 8 can be written as square root of 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. Root 16 is 4. So it can be written as 4 by root 3 into y plus root 3 into y. This is equal to 0. Is it not? Then what is the further step? You have to take the LCM. Root 3 is LCM. Multiply LCM with first term. Get cancelled. It is 4y. With the second term, it is root 3 into root 3. It is 3. 3y. This is equal to 0. Then what is 4y plus 3y? 7y. Then cross multiply root 3. Root 3 into 0? 0. Then y is equal to 0 by 7. What is 0 by 7? This is 0. Clear up? So y is 0. What is the further step? You have to substitute y value in third equation. Substitute y equal to 0 in equation 3. Equation 3 is x is equal to root 8 by root 3 into y. What is y? This is 0. 0 into anything is 0. X is 0. Therefore, x is 0 and y is also 0. Okay. 0 comma 0 is the required solution. Hope that you have understood, and even you might have got the same answer. Check it once. If it is correct, it's okay. Then if not, you can go for writing from there to here. Observe, we have 4 sub questions. This is also simple but bit different. Here it is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equal to minus 2. And the second equation is x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 13 by 6. These are the two equations. Are they in standard form? No. And moreover, the terms are in fraction. Hence, we need to simplify them. Here I'll write 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equal to minus 2. How you go for writing in simplest form? You have to take the LCM of all the denominators. See that here 2, 3, 1. Then multiply that LCM with all the terms. Now you tell. Multiply. What is the LCM of 2, 3, 1? Multiply LCM of 2, 3, 1. What it is? It is 6 on both the sides. Actually, this step is not necessary. Only for the sake of understanding I have written. Even directly we can go for or else. You write like this. Multiply 6 on both the sides. Then 6 here. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 3 3s are 9. 9x minus. Multiply 6 here. 2 1s are, sorry, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 2 5s are 10 into y. Multiply 6 with the last term. Minus 2 into 6 minus 12. Clear? You may call it as now equation 1. Take another equation. This is x by 3 plus y by 2. This is equal to 13 by 6. Observe the denominator terms 3, 2 and 6. What is the LCM of all the three? 2, 3, 2 and 6. It is 6 only. Again, multiply 6 on both the sides. When you multiply 6 here, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 2 into x, 2x plus. Multiply 6 here, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 3 into y, 3y. Multiply 6 here, 6 and 6 get cancelled, only 13 will remain. Now first step is over. What is the next step? We have to choose any one of these two equations. Which one you will go for? Let us take either equation 1 or equation 2. It is according to your wish. Here I am going to take second equation. The second equation, it is, the reason is the coefficient of x or y, it is smaller on comparing with first equation. 2x plus 3y equal to 13. Further step, we have to solve either x or y. Let's go for solving x. 2x is equal to 13. Transfer 3y to the right hand side. Becomes minus 3y. Then solve x. X is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. So this is x. You may call it as equation 3. Equation 3 is formed from equation 2. Hence, 3 should be substituted in 1. Here I will write in the next step. Substitute equation 3 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 9x minus 10y equal to minus 12. 9 into x. What is x? It is 13 minus 3y by 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Next, how do you go for solving this? First, you may multiply 9 with these two terms. See, 13 9s are, it is 117 minus 9 3s are 27y by 2 minus 10y equal to minus 12. Hope that you have understood. Next, taking LCM and solve y. LCM is 2. Multiply LCM with these terms. It will be 117 minus 27y. The reason is 2 and 2 get cancelled. Multiply LCM with the second term. 10 twos are 20. Minus 20y equal to minus 12. Next, it is write 117 as it is. Next, minus 27y minus 20y. It is minus 47y. It is equal to cross multiply 2 with minus 12. It is minus 24. Write minus 47y as it is. Then minus 24 as well. Transfer 117 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 117. Next, minus 47y. This is equal to, here both are minus, hence go for adding. It is minus 7 plus 4, 11, carry 1. 2 plus 2, 4. It is 141. Hope that you have understood. Then, minus minus get cancelled. Y is equal to 141 by 47. Is it possible to cancel? Check that. Have you got? Yes, it is. Y is equal to, see, 1s are 3s are. Very simple. 43s are 120, 7 3s are 21. 120 plus 21, 141. Now we got the value of y. The next step. Here substitute y equal to 3. Could you tell in which equation? Yes, you are right. It is in the third equation. Third equation is x is equal to 13 minus 3 into y. What is y? This is 3 by 2. It is equal to 13 minus 3 3s are 9 by 2. It is equal to 13 minus 9. 4. 4 by 2. It is equal to 2. Hope that you have understood. Conclusion. Here are right. Therefore, x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Got it? Yes. Please go for copying from there to here. Dear students, two methods are over. Elimination and substitution. Now it is the third method, cross multiplication method. There are two ways of following the cross multiplication method to solve the equations. Let me show you both of them. One is from NCERT and another one is from reference. Just I'll give you the information before going to solve the equations. Observe. We are very familiar with the general form of pair of linear equations in two variables. Yes, can you tell? Yes, you are right. It is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. And second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Clear? Next. Now, whatever the equations will be given, they should be written in standard form like this. Then you go for taking the coefficients. According to the NCERT method, we will go for taking in this way. Look here. This is x and y and last one is constant. Got it? Next, here coefficients of x, y and constant are there. To write the coefficient with respect to x, we will go for leaving the coefficients of x. We write remaining, that is b1 by, b1, b2, then c1, c2. Clear? Next, for y, we go for leaving the coefficients and remaining, it is c1, c2 are already there. Next, a1 and a2. Got it? Constants, we leave c1 and c2. Then remaining a1, a2 are already there. b1, b2. Followed? Then we will go for cross multiply like this. b1 to c2, b2 to c1, c1 to a2, c2 to a1, a1 to b2, a2 to b1. Next, we go for writing like this. It is x by, we will go for cross multiplying. B1 C2 minus B2 C1 equal to y by, we will go for taking these, C1 A2 minus C2 A1. Clear? Next, constant 1 by, it is A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Hope that you have understood. It should be written in this way. The given equations should be written in this form. Then you can go for solving x and y. This is from NCERT. Observe it. Very simple. First you write x, y and constant 1. Then for x, remaining coefficients will be written. See that B1, B2, C1, C2. Then y, C1, C2, A1, A2. Then constant A1, A2, B1, B2. Then we will go for cross multiply. I told you one more method is there. It is from a reference. Observe it. Or here again I will write the general form. This is A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0. And second equation A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. Next, here I am following the reference. Then after that you can decide which method will be easier. Now we are going to write the coefficients of x, y and the constant. See that A1, A2, then B1, B2, next C1, C2. Clear? We will go for cross multiplying like this. From top term to bottom term. Top of left corner, bottom of right corner. Then we will multiply. Bottom of left corner, top of right corner. Here also we follow the same. But how can we go for this? Here on right, observe this carefully. X by, here, next minus y by. Then here constant 1 by. I'll show you. Observe carefully. For writing the terms with respect to x, leave this. See, leave A1 and A2. These are the coefficients of x. Remaining, see that B1 C2, B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Clear? I hope that you find it easier. Next, with respect to y, write minus y and leave the coefficient B1 and B2. Remaining A1 C2 minus A2 C1. Clear? Next, constant, leave C1 and C2. Remaining A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Observe it. X by B1 C2 B2 C1. Y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1. But here A1 C2 minus A2 C1. It is just sign is interchanged. Hence I have written minus y. Next, constant 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Once I repeat this. With respect to x, see, it is very important. X minus y 1. With respect to x, leave A1 and A2 remaining. B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Y, A1 C2, A2 C1. And constant, A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Hope that, could you tell which method you find it easier? Certainly second one. Now we will go for solving some of the problems, and you have to copy this neatly from there to here. Copy both of them, follow which one you find it easier. According to my point of view, this one you find it easier because we write the coefficient directly. We'll go for x, these two, y, these two, then constant, these two. Copy this. Now, let's go for solving the equations by cross multiplication method. In that, first sub question, it is like this. 2x plus 3y equal to 8. Then 4x plus 5y equal to 14. How to solve this by cross multiplication method? Okay, please do follow the steps. The very first step is you have to write the given equations in standard form. Very important. This is 2x plus 3y, transfer 8 to the left hand side, minus 8 equal to 0. Next, 4x plus 5y, transfer 14 to the left hand side, becomes minus 14 equal to 0. Here. Next, you never mind about how to write a1, b2, then a2, b1 and all. Never mind. It will. I teach you in a simplest way. Write all the coefficients. The coefficients are 2 and 4. These are the coefficients of x. Next, 3 and 5. These are the coefficients of y. And the constants are minus 8 and minus 14. Clear? Next, you will go for using the cross multiplication method. First, top of left corner to bottom of right corner. Then bottom of left corner to top of right corner. You will follow this way. Next, after this, whatever the step I am going to write is very important. Observe, x by 4 terms will be there. Here, 1, 2, minus 3, 4. Next, minus y by, again 4 terms. 1, 2, minus 3, 4. Next, constant, again 4 terms. 1, 2, minus 3, 4. Once I repeat, x by these terms equal to minus y by these terms, 1 by these terms. Now we have to substitute the terms. Observe x. With respect to x, leave the coefficients of x. Take the remaining. What are the remaining? 3 and minus 14. Here are right. 3 and minus 14. Next, 5 and minus 8. 5 and minus 8. With respect to y, leave the coefficients of y. Take remaining 2, 14 and 4 and 8. 2 minus 14. 2 minus 14. Then 4 minus 8. Next, constant 1 is there. Leave these constant. Remaining these 2, 5, 4, 3. Here 2, 5, 4 and 3. Hope that you have understood. See that? 2, 5 minus 4, 3. Next, let us go for simplifying this. X by, observe it, multiply. 14 3s are 42. Minus sign is there. Minus 42. Next, minus into minus plus 8 5s are, it is 40. It is equal to minus y by, multiply. Minus 14 into 2, minus 28. Minus into minus plus 8 4s are 32. This is equal to 1 divided by 2 5s are 10 minus 4 3s are 12. Clear? Next, x by, it is, what is minus 42 plus 40? This is minus 2. This is equal to minus y by minus 28 plus 32. It is 4. This is equal to 1 by, what is 10 minus 12? This is minus 2. Clear? Okay. Now, this step is very important. After writing them in the simplest form, then you go for equating x term with a constant, y term with a constant. Here are right. x by minus 2, this is equal to, what is the constant? 1 by minus 2. And one more is, again, y term, it is minus y by 4. It should be equated to the constant 1 by minus 2. Let us go for solving x and y. Look here, minus minus get cancelled. X equal to, cross multiply, 2 by 2. Or else directly you can go for cancelling 2 and 2. X equal to 1. Next, here, minus y by 4. Minus y by 4 is there. Cross multiply 4. It's equal to 4 by minus 2. Minus minus get cancelled. Then y is equal to, cancel 2 ones are 2 2s are. Therefore, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. That is the required solution. Here I'll write, therefore, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 is the required solution. Required solution. Hope that you have understood. Once I tell briefly, listen carefully. Given equations, write them in standard form. Write the coefficients. Next, x term minus y term constant. Then with respect to x, leave the coefficients of x using remaining 3 minus 14, 5 and minus 8. Next, with respect to minus y, leave the coefficients of y remaining 2 minus 14, 4 and minus 8. In between minus sign will be there here. Next, constant, leave the coefficients and take the remaining 2, 5, 4 and 3. 2, 5, 4 and 3. Then simplify after writing them in the simplest form. Then you can equate x term with the constant and y term with the constant. You will get the values of x and y. Please go for copying from there to here. Yes. Now we will move on to second equation. Second pair of linear equations in two variables, and it should be solved by cross multiplication method. Dear students, please go on writing with me. First you copy this. Now let us go for solving. Yes. What is the first step to be followed? You are right. It should be written in standard form. 2x plus 3y, transfer 46 to the left hand side. Minus 46 equal to 0. Written up. Write the second equation with me. This is 3x plus 5y, transfer 74 to the left hand side, becomes minus 74, which is equal to 0. What is the next step? We should write the coefficients. Is it not? Yes. Tell the coefficient. Please write with me. Coefficients of x, 2 and 3. Y, 3 and 5. Then constants. It is minus 46 and minus 74. What about the next step? Cross multiplying. 2 to 5. Then 3 to 3. Next, 3 to minus 74. 5 to minus 46. Then after this, the third step. In the third step, we will go for writing x term equal to minus y term, then constants. Next, with respect to each, 4 parts will be there. Say 2 parts are 2 terms minus 2 terms. Here, 2 terms minus 2 terms. I am writing so because substitution will be easier. Next, let us go for substituting. How do you go for that? Observe. With respect to x, leave these. Take remaining 3 minus 74. Then 5 minus 46. Next, minus 1. With respect to y, leave these coefficients and take remaining. Remaining are 2 minus 74. minus 74. Next 3 minus 46. Minus 46. Next, leave the constants remaining. 2, 5. Here I write 2, 5. Then 3, 3. Once you check that what you have written, if your writing is correct, please go on writing with me. Let us go for simplifying. X whole divided by minus 74 3s are here, minus 74 3s are 73s are 210, 4 3s are 12, so it is 222, or else multiply like this. 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 7s are 21 plus 1, 22. Next, multiply minus and minus, minus into minus, plus 46 5s are. What is 46 10s are? 460. Half of that, it is 230, or else multiply both the digits by 5. 5 6 are 33. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. Got it? This is equal to minus y by multiply 74 2s are here, minus I'll write 72s are 140, 4 2s are 8, 148, minus into minus, plus 46 3s are 43s are 120, 6 3s are 18, 120 plus 18, 138, or else as usual method, 3 6 are 18, carry 1, 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 30, 138. This is equal to 1 whole divided by 2 5s are 10 minus 3 3s are 9. Have got same? Yes. Next, x by simplify minus 222 plus 230. This is 8. Next, minus y by minus 148 plus 138. This is minus 10. Is equal to 1 by, what is 10 minus 9? It is 1. Okay, we have written them in the simplest form. What is the next step? Each term should be equated to constant. The first term, it is x by 8, equate that to constant 1. And second term, that is y term, minus y by minus 10 equal to 1. Next, here, let us solve x. X is equal to cross multiply 1 into 8, 8, x equal to 8. Then minus minus get cancelled, y equal to 1 into 10, 10, y equal to 10. Therefore, 8 comma 10 is the required solution. Required solution. Hope that you have understood. Actually, it is a statement problem. I have taken the equations directly. Yes. If you have already written, it's okay. If not, copy from here to there. This is one of the important type. Please do remember. Yes, copy this. Dear students, just we have finished the third method, that is cross multiplication method, right? Please do practice all the three methods: elimination, substitution, and cross multiplication. And another simple trick I would like to tell you, you can be very perfect with respect to all the three methods. Do you know how? Yes, I'll tell you that. You just choose any one pair of linear equations in two variables and solve those equations by all the three methods. See, in each method, whatever the answer you should get, it should be same, right? Yes. Now, we are going to focus on some of the verbal statements, verbal problems. So statements will be given, they are to be converted into mathematical equations, then we will go for solving them. Next, here for verbal problems, I am going to take worked examples that are given in the textbook. Let me write one by one. Dear students, observe this. This is very nice statement and it is related to our day-to-day life also. Go through this statement. Here, the ratio of incomes of two persons is given. It is 9:7. Incomes of two persons is 9:7. And the ratio of their expenditures, it is 4:3. If each of them manages to save rupees 2000, each will save that much amount for 1 month, then we have to find out their monthly incomes. Even they may ask you to find out the monthly expenditures as well. Anyhow, let us go for solving. Observe it. You can come to know that they are given 3 items. What are those? One is income, second one is expenditure, third one is savings. Is there any relationship among these 3? Yes. Whatever the amount earned by your parent, it is income. And they'll go for using it for different purposes. That is expenditure. At last, they will have some extra amount, that is called savings. Right? Then could you tell the relationship among these? In general, we can write income. And you'll go for using some amount from that. And whatever the amount will remain, that is savings. Income minus expenditure is equal to savings. Right? And using that concept, let us go for solving this statement. First, we shall go for converting the given statement into equation. It has been given that ratio of incomes of two persons. It is how much? 9:7. Then let us go for assuming the common ratio. Let the common ratio be. What is the common ratio? You may take that income as X. Common ratio be X. If it is so, then what is the income of first person? Here I write. Income of first person, it is equal to rupees 9x. Got it? Then what about income of second person? It is rupees 7x. Clear? Similarly, next. Even they have given their expenditures as well. How much? It is 4:3. Here I write. The ratio of expenditures of two persons, it is 4:3. Then here also let us assume the common ratio. Let the common ratio be, it is Y. Then what is the expenditure of first person? Expenditure of first person, it is equal to rupees 4Y. Then expenditure of second person, it is rupees 3Y. Clear? Okay, you may go for writing it directly, this part and this part. Only for the sake of understanding, I have written a bit detail. Now, let's move on to that. We all know that their savings is given. Savings of each person, how much it is? 2000. Savings of each person, it is equal to rupees 2000. Let's move on to calculation. We all know that income minus expenditure, that is equal to what? It is savings. Now, let us go for using the statement. According to the given statement, observe it with respect savings of first person is 2000. Second person is also 2000. Income of first person 9x. Expenditure of first person, it is 4y. Then how do you write? With respect to first person. With respect to first person, his income is 9x. Expenditure is 4y minus 4y. And savings is rupees 2000. You may call this as equation 1. Next, with respect to second person, yes, what is his income? 7x minus expenditure, it is 3y. What is his savings? His saving is also same, that is rupees 2000. Call it as equation 2. Now we can go for solving it. How do you go for solving? You can go for using any of the three methods, either cross multiplication or substitution or elimination. I go for elimination, which we find it easier. In case of elimination, first we have to make the coefficient of either x as equal or y as equal. I go for taking y because small numbers are there. Let us multiply first equation by 3. Second equation by 4. It will be easier. Here multiply by 3. 9 3s are 27 x. 4 3s are 12 y. Then 2000 3s are, it is 6000. Clear? Next multiply second equation by 4. 4 7s are 28x minus 4 3s are 12y. 2000 4s are, it is 8000. Change the sign. This is minus plus minus. I have changed the sign because here also minus, here also minus. When the sign are different, then only you can go for cancellation. Cancel this. Now 27x minus 28x, it is minus x. 6000 minus 8000, it is equal to minus 2000. Now x equal to 2000, right? We need incomes only. So income, with respect to income, we have taken this as x. We have got the value of x. If you want the expenditure, then you can go for even finding y also. Here on right. Find their monthly incomes. Income of first person. Here on right. Income of first person. How much? It is 9x. This is equal to 9 into x is 2000 and this is equal to 2009 are. It is 18,000. Here on right. It's next. Income of second person. It is, what is the income of second person? Second person is 7x. It is 7x. 7 into x is 2000. This will be 14,000. Clear? Conclusion. Therefore, the income of first person is rupees 18,000 and second person is rupees 14,000. Clear? Yes. Please go for copy from there to here. And yes, copy this. Dear students, hope that you have copied. And if you are feeling the data what I have written is more information, then you can write it in a simplest way. I will show that. It is just for the sake of simple information. Observe. Here they are given two persons. First person and second person. Right? Then they have given the ratio of income. What is the ratio of income? It is 9:7, right? Then you can write this is 9x and 7x. Expenditure is given. It is 4:3, right? This is 4y and this is 3y. Next, after that, savings they are given. What is the savings of first person? 2000. Second person? 2000. Then you can write the equation as, observe, 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. Observe. Next, 7x minus 3y, it is equal to 2000. 7x minus 3y. This is another simple way of writing. Just for the sake of information only. So, in note, you can go for writing this. Please copy this. Dear students, now we are moving to another very important statement problem. Please do concentrate more on this. Observe. The question is like this. The sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Then find out that number. Did you understand the statement? No doubt it is easier. Here they have given two-digit number. If it is two-digit number, what are the places will be present in that? Yes, you are right. They are. One will be in units place or ones place and another one is in tens place. But do you know the digits of these? Unknown. Hence first let us go for assuming. Here alone. Let the digit in units place be x. Here I write. Let the digit in the units place be x. And the digit in the tens place be y. Followed? Then they have given that the sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. What is the sum of the digits? 9. What are the digits? X and y. Hence I write x plus y is equal to 9. They have given sum of the digits. I'll write that also. Sum of the digits, it is 9. Therefore, it will be x plus y is equal to 9. I call this as equation 1. Next, observe this one. 9 times this number. What is that number? They have given two-digit number. We know the digit in the units place and tens place, but we do not know that particular number. Let us go for finding that. It's a two-digit number. One digit will be in the units place, which is x, and another digit will be in the tens place. I have called it as y. Then the number, I call this as original number. The reason is afterwards we will get another number by reversing the digits. So original number, this is very important. Observe it. Here y is in tens place, so it will be 10y. X is in units place, it will be 1x. Clear? This is original number. See that 9 times of this number, nothing but 9 times of original number is twice the number obtained by reversing the digits. We get the number obtained by reversing the digits. Here I'll write. When the digits are reversed, here I'll write units place and tens place. Unit place digit goes to tens place and tens place digit goes to units place. Here I'll write. When the digits are reversed, we get a new number. Here I'll write new number. What is that new number? Here x is there. X is in tens place, it will be 10x. Next, and y is in units place, it will be 1y, or just you can write y. Got it? Now let's move on to the actual statement. 9 times this number, that is original number, just we have written, is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Nothing but twice the new number. Alright. From the statement, you can go for writing it as 9 times original number. Only for the sake of understanding, I am writing it. Original number is equal to twice 2 into new number. New number. 9 into, what is the original number? Original number is 10y plus x equal to 2 into new number, it is 10x plus y. Multiply. 9 tens are 90 y. 9 into x, 9x. Then 2 into 10x, 20x. 2 into y, 2y. Hope that you have understood. Alright, 9x, and let us write all the terms to the left hand side. 90y plus 9x minus 20x minus 2y. It is equal to 0. Next, 90y minus 2y, it is 88y. 9x minus 20x, this is minus 11x, it is equal to 0. Now, I'll write it in the order. Minus 11x plus 88y, it's equal to 0. You can write it in simplest form because both are the multiples of 11. Divide both sides by minus 11. This will be x, this will be 11 8s are 88. Minus 8y is equal to 0. Call it as equation 2. See, equation 1 is x plus y equal to 9. Equation 2 is x minus 8y equal to 0. You can solve them any of the 3 methods: elimination, substitution, or cross multiplication. I'll go for very simple method, that is elimination. Here x plus y equal to 9 and x minus 8y is equal to 0. Change the sign. Minus plus, here minus. X minus x get cancelled. Then here is y plus 8y. It is 9y. This is equal to 9 minus 0, 9. Y equal to 9 by 9 is 1. I'll continue here. Substitute y equal to 1 in either equation 1 or 2. I'll write it in 1. It is x plus y, equation 1 is x plus y equal to 9. Just we have found out y. Y is 1. So x plus 1 equal to 9. Then x equal to, it is 9 minus 1, x equal to 8. Got it? We want original number. Original number. What is that original number? Here it is. 10y plus x. 10y plus x. 10 into, what is y? Y is 1. X, it is 8. 10 plus 8, it is 18. Therefore, the number is 18. Clear up? Yes. Please go for copying from there to here. Dear students, hope that you have copied, and these two parts are very important. This is for original and this is for new number. Okay, and please do practice them as many times as possible till you become perfect. Okay, before concluding the class, again I am reminding you, please work out the problems what we have solved, particularly solving pair of linear equations by elimination, substitution and cross multiplication. And don't waste your time, practice as good as possible. So with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.